What's up, people? So it's a little chilly out, but I wanted to do these headlights on my girl's Acura. This is her 2011 Acura MDX, and I want to change out her headlights with some LEDs in it. So to get these headlights out, I got to take the whole bumper off. So we're gonna start up here with these clips. Little clip tool right in there. One right there. One up under here. There's actually a hole right here. You can fit a screwdriver in. I think pulling this back is easier. Pop the bumper out. That. And on the top, you got a clip right here and 10mm right here. That one I already took out. One on this side. Got the two 10mm out. Clips out. Front of this is loose. Pop the bumper right across there. Right across there under the headlight. And pull the bumper out. I believe this is about all the room I need. Two right there. One right there. There's supposed to be a clip right there. Right there. It's hard to see, but it's in there. 3 bolts are very easy to get to. This bolt, those two right there, super easy. These back here on the side, they're a pain to get to. Should just slide right out. Should. Boom. Alright, so I got this bulb out. Push this one towards the left, push it in, push it towards the right. It'll come down. This plug right here plugs in right there. You gotta twist it, a little notch on top. Alright, so I got it out. This is a Phillips. It's a D2S bulb, and we are replacing it with Super Lightning DS2 6K. Remember, when you're dealing with LEDs, do not let your fingers touch the glass. I'll show you what the other light looks like. That is that one. Not that bright, so I'm going to put the light bulb in and show you what the other one looks like. Alright, headlights in. Everything is plugged all back up. That's what that one looks like, and that looks the exact same. That is definitely brighter compared to that one. I'm also going to do the fog light and some light. Alright, so I'm going to do the other headlight, get everything put back together, and I'll show you when it's done. Alright, it's all done. Everything's back together. Put it back in. That's it. Good to go.